For the last couple hours I've been working on some hydraulic jacks, and this one has just been trouble for years. I never can get it to bleed correctly, and let me just show you what it does. It is completely full of oil to the point that it's actually running out a little bit, so that's not my issue. But you can see if I pump this up, it's got air in that cylinder. You can see it moving. Okay, now when I open it and let it down, right there, it starts shooting. You can hear air starting to go into the reservoir. You hear all that air going in there. And you can keep doing that over and over and over again. So it's not just a little bit of trapped air. This pump is somehow pumping air into there. I don't know why. I don't know if it's picking it up out of the reservoir or whether it's got a leak in the seal. So anyway, I'm going to take it apart and see if I can figure out what's going on. There we go. That's probably going to start leaking oil everywhere. Alright. Keep from making such a mess. I wonder maybe it could be that O-ring right there. It does not seem to fit that groove very well. I don't know if you can see that, but that O-ring right there is very loose in that groove, and I'm wondering if when you pull up, it's sucking air past that cup right there. So I'm going to see if I can find if I've got a better O-ring for that. Okay, so I replaced that O-ring right there, and I polished it up a little bit. Okay, got a little oil on here. Let's reassemble that. No bounce to it now. Alright, let's see. Okay, we got a little bit of air out, but that's, you know, could have been in there from before. So this is normally what you do to get the air out of one. You cycle it, you open the valve and you cycle it with the piston all the way down. Okay. Solid. And no air. Okay. I think that's got this jack fixed. I was getting ready to get rid of it just because I had tried several things and couldn't get it figured out. So anyway, I think that's got it fixed. I hope this helps somebody else because I couldn't find anything about, you know, if your pump is pumping air into your hydraulic jack, I couldn't find anything on that. So hopefully this will help somebody. Thank you for watching.